even know what test this line is. I'm kind of letting the drag out a little bit. I don't want to snap it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past.
There we go.
Close my eyes and press the glass. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
That is
What's
a
my
nice,
purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
That is a nice size speckled trout, people. It's on. Oh my God, I just hit a freaking tarpon, people. Oh, you just spit it.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here. I have Nate with me this morning. He just moved to town from Ohio and wanted to come out fishing. So before I even did the intro, we've actually already caught 3 fish. So we have, Nate got a nice little trout here. It was not gonna make it, so we are gonna keep this one. Yeah, a little foggy this morning, but it's nice and cool. It's not gonna be a lot of heat today, so we won't have to worry about that. So it should be a beautiful day. Hopefully we'll get on some reds, maybe find a snook or 2. And I know we're gonna get trout. That's never an issue. So, let's see what we can find. Oh yeah, that's a red. Oh, it's a snook. That's a snook. That's a snook. Come on, guy. It's a nice little snook, actually. He's not ready. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. There we go. He's not ready. Come on, guy. Come here. Come here. Don't be camera shy. Voodoo shrimp, people. Voodoo shrimp. Nice snook. Right there. In the water he goes. So yeah, work that whole area. You got one? Excellent. That's nice. That looks decent. That does look like a decent snook. Oh, awesome. Take your time. Oh yeah, that is a beautiful snook. You gotta try to get him out into the open, because he's gonna try to pull you into those mangroves. There you go. Nice. You just got to watch out for all that brush. Oh, that's where he's heading. Oh, good. Thought he was heading to that brush. Nice. You can lip them. Nicely done. That is a beautiful fish. You ready?
Yeah.
how big it is? Let's see how big he is. I can get back over to you. Oh, love it.
It is awesome.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is.
I absolutely love this area. Other places are great, but this is my place. And that's why.
Heck yeah.
Gotta love overcast conditions. Lay that right down.
You got him in your backwards. Oh. Really? You're gonna eat trying to... He is not happy. Not having this. 26.
26.
26.
Nice.
That is a personal best.
That is a very nice fish. Nicely done.
Thank you. Thanks.
So it's been kind of a slow mid-morning here. We had that initial burst of excitement, and then kind of slowed down. They're still working it though. We're in incoming now. The sun has finally come out, so it's starting to warm up. But yeah. Nate's hooked up on another snook. Oh, I got water. Oh, baby. Oh, let me get a little closer. That is a nice snook.
That is a very nice snook.
Nice. 2 in a row.
Ready, buddy?
You want to measure them first, or?
Sure. Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh my God. Oh, he's heavy.
That's a nice fish.
Oh, you trying to stab me? 29.
29. Nicely done.
Yeah.
29-inch snook. Love it.
Woo.
That looks like a trout. Is it another snook? All right. You are the snook master today.
So is it,
Nice. Right there. Oh my God. That was definitely a trout. You another snook? There you go. Well, if he's over 15, you can keep him.
If he's over 15, he might be too big.
I would use your net on him. Yeah, that's a nice trout. Too big for the net. That's never a bad problem. I mean, if it is easier grabbing them, just grab them, but they're very slimy. That's a nice trout. Yeah, the next level trick is you put your fish up next to a little army guy.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it looks monstrous. See if I can get over there. Not too much problems.
I'm in reverse, so.
Yeah, you're good. Just watch your rod. Just gonna bang into you. Rubbing is racing.
Yes, it is.
All right, let me see that guy. Oh yeah, he's good size.
No, that's a nice one.
He's definitely good size. He's 21. I'm gonna say he's probably 21.
Okay. You want to put him back or you want to keep him?
He's 20. He's 21 and a half or 21 3/4.
Nice.
I mean, they do say 15 to 19, but one can be trophy.
Okay,
So you got a 17 in there now.
You know
It's up to you. It's your fish.
Well, we have one in the bag.
You got one in the bag. Just one.
Let's take him.
Okay.
Let's take him.
That is a nice one. That's going to be some nice meat.
Yeah, he's thick, as they say.
There's definitely some decent trout in here. Right there. Oh yeah. Stay on, buddy.
Oh, there we are.
Stay on. Oh. That's a nice trout too. Come on. Come on, he's not happy. That's a nice trout. That is a nice trout. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on. Come on. Come on. I just want a picture. That's all. That is a nice. Oh, there we go. Flip out. Flip out. That is a meaty, meaty trout, hey.
Oh, there you go.
That is a meaty, meaty trout. As long as I can hold on to him. Oh, he just slipped away. He was definitely 20 something. Oh, they're so slimy. I should have used my lip gripper. Oh well. There you go, that's another quality fish. That looks like another nice trout.
Trout after trout after trout.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What do we have? Two in the bag?
Yep. You're allowed 3.
This one might make it. This one might add to the bag.
Alrighty. 15 to 19. Can't keep over 19 now.
I think that should. Oh, damn it.
You might be over.
What?
You might be over.
Think so?
Maybe. I'll get a measurement. Assume the pose.
Oh, yes.
Alrighty.
You want to measure this
Yep.
guy? Not super thick. He should eat well.
Alright, alright, alright. 19.
Beautiful.
There's your 3.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh. That's a big snook. That is a big, big snook. That is a big snook, people. Ooh. Ooh. That is a big snook. Ooh. I don't even know what test this line is. I'm kind of letting the drag out a little bit. I don't want to snap it. Just gonna keep pulling you away from the brush there, buddy. Yeah, you keep acrobating, you keep wearing yourself out. Oh, that is a nice snook. There is some quality fish here. I love this place. Voodoo shrimp, people. Voodoo shrimp. I don't know how many times I can tell you. $29.75, just shy of 30. Beautiful, beautiful snook. Oof, look at that. And then you go off to fish again, buddy. Woo! Very nice. Very nice. All right, everybody. That's going to do it for today. I want to thank my new friend Nate here. We had an absolute fantastic day. Did you have a good time?
Absolutely.
Excellent. He got his personal best snook, personal best trout. I got my personal best snook. Unfortunately, we did not find any reds. That's just how things go. Beautiful day once the fog and wind died down. Can't complain about the day. So if you are looking for a guide in Southwest Florida, please email me at fishin-dips1@gmail.com. I'll send you all my guiding information. Thanks for hanging. Please like and subscribe. Please ring the notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. I like to thank my patrons. Yeah, and until next time, I'll see you out there.